Hello everyone, it's Tiffany here with Bearable Traders. I am going to talk today about letting your winners run and cutting your losers. I tried 3 opening range breakouts today. 2 were red and 1 I was able to manage well. And overall, it was a 3R day, including my 2 losses. So Roblox was on my list this morning. It wasn't that great. I don't usually like trading it, but I didn't love anything. But I like the price action pre-market on Roblox. So I saw that it sold off really hard at the open in the first 5 minutes on decent volume. This is a really nice bear candle. It came back, tested the VWAP, and started losing it. So I took a short position here when it made a new 5-minute low and lost the VWAP. And my stop was here if it came above VWAP. So it never made it to my first profit target, which was the 78.18 level, which was the low of pre-market. I was a little bit stubborn. I probably should have taken a little partial here at this low. The volume came in, and then you had the hammer doji. And once again, I was still a little bit stubborn. I probably should have exited my position at break even after this hammer doji on the 1 minute, but I did not. It came back up, stopped me out at 1R, which was above VWAP, and it was also after this hammer doji closed on the 5-minute chart, and it made a new high. So I went ahead and exited my position. Once again, that was at 1R. BA is kind of always on my watch list. It's a secondary. I keep an eye on it here and there. And I saw that it was setting up to be a nice reverse ABCD pattern. Here you have a large sell-off the first 5 minutes. It consolidated under the VWAP, and it also lost this previous day low. And I figured if it lost these previous daily levels that it was going to flush really nicely. So I went short. My original stop loss was above the VWAP. And of course, my first profit target was going to be down here at this daily level. And once it pushed back up through yesterday's low, I decided to exit my position. And at that point, I think that was about a half R because my original stop loss was above the VWAP. But I could see that my pattern was no longer going to work out. So once again, cut my loss. And here is my winner. And once again, Apple was not on my original watch list, but like BA, I have it in the background all the time. It was setting up nicely as a 15-minute opening range breakdown. You see this large sell-off in the first 15 minutes. And, oh, hold on one second. Okay, it had lost previous day close. As you can see right here, that's this black dotted line. And I watched as I missed this entry, of course, when it lost previous day close. However, I watched as it made a reverse ABCD pattern on the 5-minute. I took a short position when it pulled back after the first 15-minute candle closed. And as you can see, it was rejecting the VWAP really nicely down through the first 15 minutes. So when it started to break down, I took a short position right here. As you can see on the 1-minute chart, my original stop was going to be if it made a new 5-minute high, which is here, which would also mean that it was pushing up through these the 9 and the 20 on the 1-minute chart. It made a new 15-minute low. It also made a new, it broke out from this reverse ABCD pattern, broke down. I added to my position, and then it made a hammer doji on this 5-minute chart. When it made a new high, I exited 50% of my position, 25%, 50%, because I thought it was possibly reversing. And then when it pushed down through this daily level, I partialed again. And then I saw that it was making a reverse ABCD pattern once again. So when it loses a daily level I like to see it come back and retest it, and then I can add more to my position. As you see, I added here and here. I got a quick small partial down here, and then the rest stopped me out at break even. This was my new break even point if it pushed up through this daily level. But like I said, overall, it's very important that you keep your losers small and manage your winners and let them run. But if you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.